Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine, thanks, and you?
Thank you. What is the day today?
Friday.
Friday. Every 5 days. Okay, sit down. Okay. Previous lesson we learned about circle, right? Today we repeat it. What is the meaning of circle? Circle, set of all points that are equidistant from another single point. And how many points we can draw like this? Too many, infinity. So if we collect these points, infinity points, which are equal distance, and that's called circle. Like this. This is the circle. We collect them. And what is that point? That point called center of the circle. Okay? Okay, write down. Set of all points that are equidistant from another single point is called circle. Finish? And next, parts of circle. Okay, what's the radius? Radius is the distance from center to circle. And another one, the distance from across the circle is called diameter. And what is circumference? Yes, perimeter of circle. And chord is a kind of line, yes, in Mongolian, ouch, and arc, tangent, segment, and sector. These are the parts of circle. Okay, radius, diameter, circumference. Today also we are going to learn circle, perimeter of circle, and area of circle. Okay, next one. Okay, circumference of circle. What's circumference? Perimeter of circle. And we know that it's equal to 2 pi r. And it's represented by C. C is equal to 2 pi r. And another thing is what? Area of circle. What's the area of circle? Pi r square, right? Area. And let's start to solve the question. Look at the first one. Which of the area of circle given below equals to its circumference? Which of the area of circle given below is equal to circumference?
C.
What does it mean? Understood? Perimeter of circle and area of circle for which values are equal to each other. Okay? So, first draw a circle like this, and its perimeter, what's perimeter? 2 pi r, and area pi r square. These two are equal to each other. 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. If we cancel pi and r, what we get? R is equal to 2. Is that finished? No. We get what radius of circle? It's equal to 2 units. And which of the area? So, what should I do? I should find the area of circle. So, what I know? Radius is equal to 2. So, what's area? Pi. 2 square is equal to 4 pi. Also, perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. Is equal to 4 pi.
C.
Understood? Yes. Answer is C. In the given question, circumference and area are equal to each other. So, first we get radius of circle, after that we get area. Understood? Finish? Not yet.
No.
Okay, question number 2. Let's see. Okay, the radius of given circle is 10 centimeter and angle AOB is 36 degree. Find the shaded region, shaded area. Shaded area. So, we need to find area of circle. But that's what part of circle? How do we find it? Full circle, how many degrees? 360 degrees, right? So, 36 degree, what part of 360 degree?
1 over 2.
1 over 10. So, this shaded region, I think, is equal to 1 over 10 part of circle. And what's radius? Radius given 10. 10 square. 100 pi divided by 10 is equal to 10 pi. What's 10 pi? This small area, okay, is 10 pi. Understood? One full circle is 360 degree, and we need to find 1/10 part of circle. So, this is the same 1/10 part of area of circle. Understood? Yes?
Yes.
No? Finish. Finish? Yes. Yes. Okay. Question number 3. In the given figure, the shaded area is 3 pi over 4 centimeters square, and this angle is 90 degree. Find the area of AOB. Be careful, not ABC, AOB. Okay. Okay, trade. What do you think about shaded region? What part of circle? Which part? Shaded region is what part of circle? 3/4, right?
Yes.
Yes.
What
What?
the left one is 1/4.
This white place is 1/4. So other side also 270 degree. 270 degree divided by 360 degree divided by 90. What I get? 3 divided by 4. This is 3/4 part of circle, right? So this shaded region is equal to 3 divided by 4 times pi times r squared. In the question also it's given 3 pi over 4. So if I cancel the numbers, what I get? R squared is equal to 1. So what's radius?
1.
Yes, radius is equal to 1. Understood? In the given picture, there is 270 degree. 270 degree is 3/4 part of circle. So 3/4 times pi r quadrat squared at the same time is equal to 3 pi over 4. And we get radius. Is it finished? No. Now we are going to find the area of triangle. And in this triangle, what I know? These two parts also radius of circle, right? So these two parts is 1 and 1. And we don't need to find hypotenuse. We need to find area of triangle. So how do we get this? Is this right triangle? Yes. So S is equal to 1 times 1 divided by 2. So it's equal to 1/2 centimeter square. Which one? A. Understood? By using shaded region, we get radius of circle 1, and radius of circle and one side of right triangle also equal to each other. We get right triangle, and area of right triangle is equal to 1 times 1 divided by 2, under 2. Okay? And then finish. Okay. Today we have a competition and questions like this, okay? Maybe similar. How many groups in your class?
2.
2 groups, okay? And topics about perimeter of circle and area of circle. 10 questions, 20 minutes, okay?
After lesson.
Yes, after lesson then, in conference hall. Okay, finish? Okay, next question. In the given figure, the sum of circumference of two circles. Sum of circumference. What does it mean? Sum of addition. So, what does it mean? Two perimeters. For example, if I choose the first one, circle 1, perimeter 1 plus perimeter 2 is given 16 pi. Okay, understood? What does it mean? The sum of circumference of two centers, a circle. And if the shaded region, which one? That part also given 16 pi. And what do you think about this shaded region? What do you say about it? Shaded region. What is the shaded region? How many circles we have? 2 circles, right? So, what can I do? This is a big circle, and add one to small circle like this. And if I decrease this area from the big one, what I get? I get shaded region, right? Understood? If I take the smallest one, I have the area of big circle. And if I decrease it, what I get? Shaded region. So, what I know, this has the radius 2 and it has the radius 1. And those two have the same center. So, what can I do? S2 minus S1 is equal to how many pi? 16 pi, right?
Yeah.
So, what is the area of first circle? S2 is equal to pi R2 square. And S1, pi R1 square. And what is the difference? In the pi parenthesis, what I get? R2 square minus R1 square is given 16 pi. Understood? These two are given. And given in the perimeter, what I know? 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2 is equal to 16 pi, right? And 2 pi are the same. If I divide both sides by 2 pi, what I get? R1 plus R2 is equal to what? 8, right? And here, if I divide by both sides, what I get? R2 square minus R1 square is equal to 16. Okay? Understood? And then, what can I do? How do I get radius 2? Any idea? What's it? This is the difference of two numbers square. And what's the formula? Did you remember? A square minus b square can be written like this. A minus b times a plus b. If I use this formula, what I get? R2 minus R1 times R2 plus R1 is equal to what? 16, right? And here, what I have? R1 plus R2 is equal to what? R1 plus R2 is equal to 8. So, 8 times which number is equal to 16? 2. So, what I get? I have now two values. Difference of radius is equal to 2. Sum of radius is equal to 8. So, what can I do? R2 minus R1 is equal to R2 plus R1 is equal to 8. If I add this number up, what I get? How many R2? 2 R2. Negative R1, positive R1 cancel is equal to 10. So, what is radius to? It's 5. So, answer is equal to 5. Understood?
Yes.
In the given question, circumference of sum of circles of circles 16 pi and difference of areas also 16 pi. By using these two equations, I get relation between R2 and R1. From the first, I get R1 plus R2 is equal to 8. From the second, R2 square minus R1 square is equal to 16. Also, that can be written as a product of R2 minus R1 times R2 plus R1. And I know the answer of R2 plus R1, other can be 2. And after that, sum of numbers 8, difference 2, what I get, one of them is 5. How about another radius? One of them is 5. How about smallest one? What we get? Smallest one. If R2 is equal to 5 and sum of radius equal to 8, what we get? 5 plus which number is equal to 8? 3, right? Yes. Small is 3 and big one is 5. Right. Understood? No? Yes? Are you enjoyable? Stay with us. difficult, right? Today maybe close question. Finish? No. Next week, subject review exam you have, and topics are locus and perimeter and area of circle. Okay? This subject. Locus, perimeter of circle, and area of circle. Okay, finish?
Yes.
Next one is that one. What's given? A square is placed on the circle centered at O, and AB is given 4 square root of 2. Find the shaded area. Okay, what's the shaded area? What do you think about it? What difference give us shaded area? I think if I decrease the area of square from the area of circle, what I get? I get shaded region like this. Look at here. Here is the circle minus what? Minus square. Is it correct? If I take this part inside the circle, what I get? I get shaded region, right? So, what can I do? I need to find the radius of circle. Firstly, what's given? AB is given 4 square root of 2. Also, BC is equal to 4 square root of 2. Why? Because it's square, right? Understood? And here is diagonal of square at the same time what? Diameter of circle. So, how can I get this part? This is equal to diameter. Diameter is equal to how many are? 2r. Now, here is a right triangle like this. One part is 4 square root of 2, and another is 4 square root of 2. And what's hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 2r. So, what's the formula for right triangle to get hypotenuse? Hypotenuse square is what? 2r square is equal to 4 square root of 2 square plus 4 square root of 2 square. What I get? 16 times 2, 32 plus 32 is equal to what? 64. What 64 is equal to how many r? 2r square? 4r square, right? Yeah. Angai, wake up. And 4r square is equal to 64. What's r square? R square is equal to what? 16 divided by 4. And what's r? 4. R is equal to 4. So, I get it. What I get? Radius is equal to 4. And what's the area of circle? Tell me, area of circle. PR square. PR square. 16 pi. Yes. This is the 16 pi. All area of region. Minus what? 4 square root of 2, 4 square root of 2. Area of square, 4 square root of 2 times 4 square root of 2. And what we get? 16 pi minus 16 times 2, 32. And which one is the answer? Look at this one. In 16 parentheses, pi minus 2. 16 minus 2. Answer is C. Understood? How we start? We start AC. What is AC? AC is diagonal of square at the same time diameter of circle. So by using hypotenuse we get diameter, and by using diameter we get area of circle. Area of circle is 16 pi and area of square is 32. B degrees 32. Why? This part is cut, right? Understood? Little. Nice, okay. No. Finish? Almost. Okay, your turn. Next question. It's coming soon. Okay. Find the shaded region. Okay, it's your turn. How do we get shaded region? And what's given? Given 45 degrees is middle of angle B, and OB, what is OB? Radius is given 4 centimeters. Okay, try, and if not, I will explain. Try. Okay, what do you think about shaded region? Is it possible to find this part?
Yes, possible.
Yes. Okay, what's given? 45 degrees, right?
Yes. And also radius is good.
Yes. Radius given and 45 degrees given. Be careful. If I join this 2 points, what I get? I get 45 degrees. Why? This is radius, right? And how many centimeters? 4 centimeters. From O to A, it's sorry. This is also radius of circle, right? So these two are equal to each other, 4 and 4. And one angle is 45, and also other is 45. That must be 90 degrees. So what I have, be careful. In this picture, what I have, quarter circle, right? Quarter circle. Can I find the area of quarter circle? Yes. Then I can move that part. What I get? I get shaded region. Understood? So this is 4 and 4. What is the 1/4 circle? Area of 1/4 circle. Pi r square. What I get? 16 divided by 4. 4 pi. And in the question, take pi 3. So what is answer? 12. Is it finished? No. Then I need to move what? Right triangle, right? Now I need to find that part. What's the area of that part?
4.
Is 2. 4 times 4 divided by 2.
8.
16, 8. So shaded region S3 is equal to what? All of them? 12 minus this shaded region 8 degrees. What we get? Shaded region is equal to 4. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, write down. Almost finish. Understood? Is it easy? No. You have to say this right triangle and 1/4 circle. If not, you can't find how to solve this. Understood? Okay.
Is it correct to teach?
Free time, yes. You are free.